Naghahanap ka ba ng bagong recipe ngayong nalalapit na bagong taon? Well, look no more! Today, gagawa tayo ng ultimate favorite natin na dessert, ang no-bake shrimp cake. Sa kawali lang natin lulutuin. And here's our ingredients. Ang kumpletong sukat ng ating recipe ay ilalagay ko sa description box below. I-sieve lang natin ang flour, at follow natin ang baking powder. And also, our baking soda, eggless ang ating chocolate cake na gagawin so sobrang tipid itong ating recipe. Also, we add the cocoa powder, then sieve lang natin ito together, and this way, nahalo natin ng mabuti ang mga dry ingredients at naiiwasan ang buo-buo. Anyway, if you're new to my video, hello there and welcome to my channel! Easy to follow ang ating mga recipe, kaya don't forget to click that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga no-bake recipes. Then, follow natin ang white sugar, i-sieve lang natin ito, and also ang ating salt. These are flavor enhancers. Then, i-mix lang natin ang mga dry ingredients. Now, let's add our wet ingredients. Here, we have 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of corn oil, and half teaspoon of white vinegar. Ihalo lang natin ito sa ating mga dry ingredients. This recipe is super moist at maganda ito for business kasi matipid and yet masarap. At yan, paghaluin na natin ng mabuti until wala ng mga lumps. Prepare lang natin ang ating baking pan, and I'm using 8 inches round pan, and of course, you can use just any flat molder na meron ka, and don't forget lagyan ng baking paper para smooth ang sides at hindi mahirap tanggalin pag naluto na. Then, tap lang natin ito to remove the excess bubbles. At atin na itong lulutuin sa ating improvised oven gamit ang kawali. At lulutuin natin ito for about 30 minutes or so. While waiting, let's make our chocolate layers. First is our chocolate ganache. We need 1 cup of chocolate yan. Chop natin ito into cubes. And then 1/2 cup of hot all-purpose cream. Just mix it together and let it melt for about 2 minutes or so. Also, pwede mo itong ipatong sa separate bowl with hot water para madaling mag-melt, and that's how easy to make our chocolate ganache. Now, let's make our pudding. And here's our ingredients. We need 3/4 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and also 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And also, we need 1 egg yolk. Just mix everything in the pan. Anyway, this is our second layer. I-follow lang natin ang heavy cream, sugar, salt, cocoa powder, last is i-mix na natin ang ating milk and cornstarch. Paghaluin lang natin ito until wala ng lumps. Saka ihalo sa ating mixture. Then, let it cook over a very low heat until mag-thicken na ito. Here we go, we're done with our pudding. Next up is our final layer, ang ating melted chocolate. Yes, just simply chop the chocolate bar into cubes. Yan, at ipatong na natin ito into a separate bowl na may hot water. And let it sit for about 5 minutes or so until mag-melt na ito. And yes, pwede mo itong i-microwave para mas madali. And here guys, luto na ang ating chocolate cake. It's super flat and we let it cool muna bago natin ito tanggalin sa molder. At ito na guys, cut ko lang dito sa sides. And it really looks perfect. At sa kawali lang natin ito niluto. I prefer it that way kesa steam. At yan, tanggalin lang natin ito sa molder. And here you go. Cut lang natin ito at kunin lang natin ang size ng ating tin can. And here guys, yan, atin na ito i-cut. Prepare na natin ang ating pudding at ganache. And yes, I'm using 6x3 rose gold na tin can. And yes, mukhang hindi ako mahilig sa rose gold. Yan guys. Now let's do it. First layer, maglagay muna tayo ng ganache. This is the chocolate and all-purpose cream na mixture. Spread lang natin dito sa base. Then, second layer are chocolate cake. Tamang-tama lang ang size ng ating cake. That's why I prefer a flat molder so I don't have to cut in between. Then, third layer are ganache again. Yan, I really love this recipe kasi even with the layers of chocolate is hindi siya masyadong matamis kaya hindi nakakalanag. At ito ang ating fourth layer, ang ating pudding. Mas kapalan lang natin ito sa paglagay. And here's for our final layer, ang ating melted chocolate. Just spread it over, and there you go. Ultimate dream talaga ito ng mga chocolate lovers to have all the layers of your favorite chocolate in one recipe. No wonder it's called a dream cake. Now let's dust it with cocoa powder. This is really heaven in a tin can. And this is not just your usual dream cake, and we'll make it more exceptional by adding some more toppings. Lagyan ko lang ito since lighter ito in color and dust it over on my acrylic. And here you go, itong Christmas logo natin na best for this coming holiday. And yes, refrigerate muna natin ito. Pwede po kayong gumamit ng kahit anong paglagyan. If wala kang tin can and if you want it for business, para mas affordable, you can use just any clear packs. And this dome cup is really my favorite. Nagamit ko ito for my blueberry cheesecake and banoffee on my previous video. Same lang din ang procedure dito. Start it with ganache, then cake, then let's add ganache again, pudding, at melted chocolate at the top. And here guys, finish it off with dust cocoa. Pwede itong Christmas design or simply just top it with dust cocoa. And here's your dream cake in a cup. And here, fresh from the fridge. Wait, my inner child wants to write. Of course, just don't forget to have fun while cooking. Ready ka na ba sa ating taste test? Ang maganda sa homemade is sobrang nakakatipid ka dahil pricey ito pag bilhin mo na ito sa labas. So better just make your own, especially this coming Christmas and New Year. Masarap itong panghandaan at kung gusto mo pang negosyo, talagang ito patok ito sa masa. It's a triple chocolate in one. Talagang sobrang sarap mga sis. Talagang makakarami ako nito. Dahil hindi siya matamis na klase ng cake. At ito, kahit 3 klaseng layers ang nilagay natin, and yet dark chocolate yung lasa niya, tama lang na hindi nakakalanag. This recipe is really the best. If you want a triple chocolate pero hindi matamis, ito na yon. Talagang sobrang mouth-watering tingnan, guys. Hindi tinipid sa chocolate at talagang pag kinain mo na, it really melts in your mouth. It's really worth trying mga sis. At pwede mo din itong pagkakakitaan. Nasa baba ang ating complete recipe at kung may katanungan ka, just comment down below at nag-upload tayo every week. Kaya don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating next tipid recipe. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and my name is Ice and Happy New Year and enjoy cooking!